Hi everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes and tell you about Classcraft. This is the beginning of gamification in the classroom. My students have really enjoyed it, and the one class that I implemented it in, I can tell a difference in day and night in their behavior. They're more engaged, and it makes a world of difference. When they come into class, I have this projected up on the screen, and as soon as they see Classcraft going, they will automatically log into their accounts and start their assignments. Um, if it's not up on the board for some reason or another, then they start talking. It's hard to get them engaged, to get their attention. But having it up on the board makes all the difference in the world. So I'm going to show you some of the points. I'm not going to use my actual class because it has my students' first and last name on it. So this is a example in Classcraft that you can use. So as you can see, you have a student here named Diego. You have HP, which stands for health points. You have XP, GP is gold pieces. You can change these as a teacher, the correct answering, and that sort of thing. Give them the amount of points that you want them to have for whatever activities. It's important that you do this in the time that they do the activity, that they can see immediate feedback. You can also take points away. So if he arrives late to class, then you can deduct 10 points. His teammates can also save him. So let's say that Arturio is going to save him from his XP, his points being taken away. He can do that. If he loses all of his points, though, he falls in battle. And then he has a consequence he has to do. And you can also make these up and assign them. When he falls in battle, all the team loses points. So this is where teamwork and collaboration comes in. They do not want to disappoint their teammates. So he can use powers like hunting, and you can assign these once again. That could be eating in class, or he can get a hint on a exam question. Once again, you assign these. Today's events would be quests that you have for that day, actually your lessons. This links to Google Classroom. These are funny little things that pop up and you access. It says everyone must meow at the end of their sentences, and this includes teachers. And it's just a funny little surprise for them to do. You can access this from your phone, your computer, iPads. It is just a great tool. And if you have a class that you have behavior issues, class management issues with, this really makes a huge difference. There's also websites on line that you can look at that has how you incorporate quests and battles. The students really get involved in that and engaged. That does have a cost associated with it, so I wanted you to know that up front. It's a cost of $8 per month, and it was so worth my $8. I saved that in paper alone. So I strongly encourage you to check out Classcraft if you haven't done that yet. The students really like it, and as a teacher, I loved it. So thank you for listening today.